Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset maintenance on a Volvo S60. First, turn your ignition key to position 2, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the trip odometer reset button, holding it down firmly. Keep holding the button until you observe the service light on your dashboard start to flash. This initial step is crucial for initiating the reset sequence. Once the service light begins to flash, you can release the trip odometer reset button. Immediately after releasing, turn the ignition key completely off. It is important to ensure the ignition is fully powered down. Allow a minimum of 10 seconds to pass before attempting to restart your vehicle. This brief pause helps the car's system register the reset. Now, start your Volvo S60's engine as you normally would. Observe your dashboard closely to confirm that the service light is no longer illuminated. If the light has successfully turned off, your maintenance reminder has been reset. Should the light remain on, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Remember to perform this simple reset procedure after every oil change or scheduled maintenance to keep your reminders accurate. This easy method is applicable to many Volvo S60 models, offering a quick solution. For any specific model variations or additional information, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. It provides comprehensive guidance for your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.